States across the country saw another drop in violent crime in 2025, with homicide rates down 21% compared to the previous year. An annual report issued by the Council on Criminal Justice cites a complex web of factors that may have contributed, including a decrease in substance use, as well as an increase in time spent alone among young adults. Indianapolis ended 2025 with a 45% decrease in murders compared to a record high back in 2021. Similarly, property crimes, including motor vehicle thefts, burglaries, and shoplifting, have also decreased by significant margins. In Indiana, a proposed constitutional amendment moving through the General Assembly would expand judges' power to deny defendants bail. Currently, the state constitution guarantees bail for defendants charged with crimes other than murder or treason. Supporters of the amendment, including the Fraternal Order of Police and the Indiana Prosecuting Attorneys Council, argue it protects the public from the most dangerous criminal defendants. Opponents, however, such as the ACLU and the Indiana Public Defender Council, challenge a subjectivity in sentencing that could vary across judges. If the joint resolution passes both chambers, voters will decide on the amendment in November. Legislators also considered bills this session that would expand the application of the death penalty through firing squad and nitrogen hypoxia. Other bills addressing capital punishment included House Bill 1432 that would establish a process to determine whether a defendant on death row has an intellectual disability. And HB 1287 would require the warden of the state prison to select an execution team consisting of members of the General Assembly who have volunteered. Indiana currently has 5 inmates on death row after executing 2 in 2025. Heated redistricting debates last fall led to an increase in threats of violence and intimidation against various public officials. This prompted anti-doxing legislation that defines and criminalizes individuals who share private information with malicious intent to harm them. In January, a Tippecanoe County judge and his wife were shot at their home, allegedly by disgruntled defendants. Loretta Rush, the Chief Justice of the Indiana Supreme Court, decried the shooting and reaffirmed that violence has no place in our political system.